Hello everyone, I'm Ian Wall, Team Captain of Team Numero, and this is our final project video. So, our basic project was to build a quadcopter within our 10-week quarter, and some of our goals for our quadcopter were to make us work a quadcopter within the parameters that were assigned to us, but also to learn the engineering skills needed, such as teamwork and how to fabricate, and also using computer-aided drafting to make a product. As you see, these are my teammates. Alright, so early in the stages, we went through a lot of iterations for our quadcopter. This is on your screen now, is our first iteration of it. As you can see, it's not very detailed. That's a schematic of it. And we went through a lot of these until we got to our, this is another one. And we really tried to take input from all of our group members and put it into one that we could all be proud of, so that everyone got a little piece of their quadcopter that they wanted in there. This is the final design we went with for our quadcopter. As you can see, we went to choice with big, broad prop guards and the landing gear that comes off the wings. Now we're going to show you the parts we manufactured in the lab. These are the prop guards we made, which is just another ring stacked onto there to make the full prop guard. And then these are the wings. 4 of them. It was actually really hard to get them symmetrical with the screws and drilling the holes and all that. And then these are the bases. We also had to make lots of different holes in those guys to get everything we needed on there. And then this is our final design we went with. It turned out pretty good in my opinion. I really like the feet on the landing gear. This is our electrical diagram. As you can see, we have a power source going to ESCs and motors, and then connected to our NASA, which is the brain of our quadcopter. That's it manufactured in lab and all set out before we put it on the quadcopter. And then this is it actually all put together on it, and that's where we ran into our problems, but I'll talk about those later. This is our cost sheet. We ended up spending $372 roughly, which is good. It was under our budget of $400. This is our Gantt. This is just our progress that we made. We actually didn't finish our quadcopter in time. That's okay, I'll show you here in this video. We ran into some electrical issues regarding one of the motors, to where we'd calibrate the NASA, but one of the motors wouldn't recognize that it was calibrated, and so in order for it to turn on, you'd have to tilt the entire system. So it was basically like the NASA thought that level was it tilted at about a 30-degree angle, as you see in this video, which is no one knows exactly why. This is where we ran into most of our problems. But I know if we had just had another week and not stuck in the 10-week parameter, we would have been able to make it fly very easily, in my opinion. Alright, so that was our video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.